Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today we are going to show you how to make a line out of some colorful sheets of the paper. This type of the activity is best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 6 to 7. You can just give it a try. You just need some colorful sheets of the paper, some glue and some markers. See how beautiful and cute this line looks. For our second activity, we may require cardboard sheet of the paper that we are cutting down in somewhat triangular shape so that it will represent the cone of the ice cream. After that, we are making the ice cream with the help of the bubble wrapper sheets that have been cut down in some circular shape. Then fill it with some of the colors that are apparent on your screens. This one looks so nice. For our next painting, we are just tracing down the watermelon with the help of the sketch pen. After that, we are spreading the colors by dipping the paint brush into the water and spreading the color as shown on your screens. Then don't forget to draw the other details like the seeds of this watermelon, and in the background we are also adding some of the ants. This type of the painting is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 9 to 10. Definitely give it a try. For our next activity, we are just painting our hand with the help of the brush. After that, we are going to just make the imprint of our hand on this white sheet of the paper in the direction that's shown on your screens. After that, we are going to add some of the details. We are going to trace down a peacock in just few easy and simple steps. This type of the painting is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. It's very less time consuming and you can definitely go for this one without any hesitance. Let's try to trace down some of the beautiful flowers with the help of the earbuds. We are just making somewhat snowflakes type shape, but these will actually represent the flowers. See how easy and less time consuming this type of the painting is. Add further details with the help of the sketch pens. For this activity, we require the sketch pen. Then we are tracing down our fingers with the help of the pencil. After that, we are making the outline. These will actually represent some of the carrots. Then we are going to add some of the emojis to each carrot separately. This type of the painting is very easy and it's very less time consuming. You can just give it a try. You can pause the video so that you can have much clearer look. We will now make some of the fruits with the help of a bubble wrapper sheet. We are just tracing it down and cutting it according to the shape of the apple. We are making the red and the green one. Then we are filling it with some of the colors using the paint brush. This one is very easy. You can use poster colors or the pastel ones. Take some of the modeling clay and just make some of the tiny circles and then spread them with the help of your index finger like we are doing on your screens. This one is very cool and it looks so nice. See how beautiful these flowers are and it's very less time consuming. We are just making some of the honeybees as well. With the help of foam fruit wrapper, we are going to trace down a beautiful forest canopy. First, we are tracing some of the trees with the help of the black marker. After that, we are just dipping the foam in some color like here red. Then we are using somewhat lighter shades than the yellow one. See how beautiful this one looks. Let's now see some of the fishes that are swimming in the water. First, we are creating the leaves of some of the aquatic plants with the help of the marker and spreading the color using the water and the brush. After that, by just making the fishes with the help of our hands, and see how easy and good this one looks. It's best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11 and it's very less time consuming activity. See how nice and perfect this looks. This activity is very easy. For this, you may require some wax colors. Actually, the oil pastel ones will be best. First, you have to just make them and spread the color with the help of the tissue as apparent on your screens. After that, we are going to make the grass. Then the flowers have been created in the surroundings with the help of the modeling clay. This type of the painting is best suitable for small kids. Just give it a try. Thank you for watching our videos.